Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to Terramator Gardens. If you're a fan of basil, but want something that grows faster, bigger, and more reliably, especially during those hot summer months, then you're going to love this variety. Today, we're talking about Sweet Nufar Basil, a true champion in both the garden and the kitchen. What makes Sweet Nufar so special? It was actually the first basil variety bred to resist fusarium wilt, a common fungal disease that wipes out many traditional basil crops. That means this basil is not just tasty, it's tough too. Nufar grows big, bold, and beautifully fragrant, giving you larger harvests without the heartbreak. Basil itself has a long and aromatic history tracing back over 5,000 years. It originated in India and other tropical regions of Asia where it was revered as a sacred herb. Sweet Nufar basil is a modern cultivar developed through careful breeding to improve disease resistance, and it quickly became a favorite for both home gardeners and commercial growers who wanted classic Genovese basil flavor with more resilience. Nufar basil is a Genovese type basil, which means it has those large cup green leaves and sweet, slightly spicy aroma. The leaves are soft but full bodied with a glossy texture. The plant itself is vigorous, growing up to 24 to 30 inches tall and forming a dense, bushy shape when pruned regularly. It's ideal for both in-ground beds and container growing. This plant loves full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, and thrives in warm weather. It's happiest in well-draining soil that stays moist but not soggy. Start seeds indoors or direct soil once the risk of frost is gone. If you're transplanting seedlings, give each plant about 12 to 18 inches of space to branch out, and don't forget, the more you harvest, the more it grows. Pinch it regularly to prevent flowering and encourage lush, leafy growth. Basil is a fantastic companion plant. Sweet Nufar especially shines when planted near tomatoes, helping to repel aphids, whiteflies, and hornworms, while boosting tomato flavor. It also does well near peppers, oregano, and marigolds. Just be sure it gets enough space and sun. It doesn't love being shaded out. One of Nufar's superpowers is how bolt resistant it is compared to other basils. That means it takes longer to flower, giving you more time to enjoy fresh leaves, but once it does start forming buds, just pinch those flowers off to extend the growing season. It also does really well in hydroponic setups and warm greenhouses, making it a great choice for year-round indoor herb gardens. In the kitchen, Sweet Nufar basil brings that classic Italian basil flavor, perfect for pesto, salads, pizza, pasta sauces, and more. The large leaves are easy to harvest and blend. You can also infuse them in oils, vinegars, or teas. Beyond culinary use, basil has been long celebrated for its digestive and anti-inflammatory properties in traditional herbal medicine. Thanks for tuning in. If you've grown Nufar before, drop a comment. Let us know your favorite way to use it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more plant profiles and home garden tips. Until next time, happy growing.